Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Starbucks app if it isn't letting you change your name. So first of all, you need to make sure you're running the latest version of the app. Open up App Store on your device, and then tap on this search icon in the bottom right corner. Then search for the Starbucks mobile app, and if you see this update button right next to the app name, simply tap on it to make sure you're running the latest version of the app. But if you still encounter this issue, then you need to clear App Cache. Go to your device settings and then scroll all the way down to General and tap on it. Then tap on iPhone Storage. From here, search for the Starbucks mobile app and then tap on it. Once you're on this screen, you need to tap on Offload App. Tap again to confirm. It'll take a bit for processing, and then a Reinstall button will show up. Simply tap on it to reinstall the app. This should fix the issue, but if it doesn't, then you need to completely reinstall the app. Follow the on-screen instructions to navigate all the way to the app page. Once you're on this screen, tap on Delete App to uninstall the app from your device. Once uninstalled, you need to open up App Store and then search for the Starbucks mobile app right over here in the search bar. And then click on this Get button to install it back on your device. But if it still doesn't work, then you need to contact customer support officials. Open up this webpage on your mobile or desktop browser and then click on this link right over here. Once you're on this page, you need to select a subject which best describes your situation. Then enter in your first name and your last name. Next, enter in your email address right over here, and then briefly explain the issue in this box right over here. You can explain your issue something along the lines of, "Hey team, the Starbucks app won't let me change my name. No options icon or whatsoever to change my name in the app or website. I'm registered in the Starbucks UK app. The website even has padlocks on my first name, surname, and birth date. Please help me change my name on the Starbucks app ASAP." Once you're done with that, click on Submit at the bottom, and hopefully the Starbucks customer support official will help you fix the issue. And if they did, then make sure you give it a thumbs up to see more videos like this, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.